The next structure, the 10th structure. The 10th structure is I gotta. I gotta. What is this I gotta? I gotta means I got to. Gotta means got to. Okay, actually this gotta is informal language. Informal, which means colloquial language. Okay, this will be used in only in spoken English. This will be only used in spoken English. Okay, I gotta. I gotta means I got to. Okay, so after I gotta, we have to use V1, the first form of the verb. Structure I gotta plus V1 plus something. Now let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express a strong desire, a strong need, a strong need or urgency to complete or fulfill the obligation. Obligation means duty. Obligation means duty. So what is the structure? I gotta plus V1. So this structure can be used like this. This structure is used to express a strong need or urgency to complete the task. Whatever the task you would like to finish with a strong determined manner, then this structure is used. It is the best way to use. Okay, now let's see some examples. I gotta. I gotta means got to. I gotta means I got to. Okay, let's write some examples. I gotta finish my homework. I gotta finish my homework, which means I got to finish my homework, which means I got to finish my homework. I gotta go to I gotta go to work in the morning. I gotta call my mom today. I gotta buy some groceries in the supermarket. I gotta clean the house. I gotta clean the house, which means I got to clean the house. I gotta get my car serviced. I gotta get my car serviced. I gotta exercise more regularly. I gotta exercise more regularly. I gotta eat healthy food. I gotta eat healthy food. Here you must remember FOD is not food. Food. Second woo. We should not pronounce woo. Woo. Food. Okay. Next. I gotta learn some interesting things. I gotta attend my friend's birthday. I gotta do laundry this week. I gotta do laundry this week. I gotta solve the problem, which means I got to solve the problem. Okay. I gotta meet my blossom friend. Bosom friend. I gotta meet my bosom friend. I gotta take the doctor's appointment. I gotta buy a beautiful dog. I gotta plan my wedding. I gotta learn communication skills. I gotta learn, which means I got to learn communication skills. I gotta pick my kids from the school. I gotta dance on the stage. I gotta make dinner for my family. I gotta watch a movie with my family. I gotta upskill my I gotta upskill my skills. I gotta make the arrangements. I gotta take rest for some time. I gotta take rest for some time. I gotta speak good English. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next structure.